Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Postscript SMS integration for winning repeat purchases, complete guide step by step clearly. To install Postscript SMS integration for winning repeat purchases, start by logging into your e-commerce platform. Navigate to the integrations section in your dashboard. Search for Postscript in the available integrations list. Click on the Postscript integration option. You will be directed to the Postscript installation page. Create a Postscript account if you don't have one by clicking on the Sign Up link. Complete the sign up form with your business details. Once you have an account, return to the installation page. Click on the Connect button to link your e-commerce platform to Postscript. You will be prompted to enter your Postscript API key. Retrieve your API key from your Postscript account dashboard. Copy the API key and paste it into the provided field. Confirm the connection by clicking on the Connect button. The integration will now begin syncing your customer data. Once the sync is complete, set up your SMS campaigns. Navigate to the SMS campaigns section in your Postscript account. Choose your target audience based on previous purchase behaviors. Craft tailored messages that encourage repeat purchases. Schedule your campaigns according to your sales cycle. Monitor the performance of your SMS campaigns. Make adjustments to your messaging and strategy as needed. Engage with customers who respond to your SMS campaigns. Collect feedback to refine your approach for better results. Regularly review your integration settings to ensure optimal performance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.